Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use a Mastercard gift card on Shein. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open the app or website on your phone and sign into your account. Next, browse through the products and select the item you want to purchase. Once you choose your product, tap on Add to Cart. After adding the product to your cart, open your cart and tap on the checkout button to continue with your purchase. Now you will need to enter your shipping information. Start by entering your first and last name, then add your phone number. After that, select your city and province or state, then enter your postal or zip code. Finally, type in your address line details. Once your shipping information is complete, move to the payment section. To enter your card details, tap on View More or the Payment Options section to expand the available payment methods. Next, enter the information from your Mastercard gift card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Before completing the purchase, make sure your Mastercard gift card has enough balance available to cover the full order amount. After entering your payment information correctly, continue with the checkout process and place your order. That's it. That is how you can use a Mastercard gift card on Shein. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.